Hey guys, if you remember in a couple of the past videos, this was the grow out cage that I made, and we had our bourbon reds in there. Recently we added some new chicks and they've worked their way out here. We have some Dominics. There's 7 Dominics and there are 3 Rhode Island Reds. They're getting big quickly, which is good because winter's almost here. We have a house in the back that we plan on putting these guys into. We had some issues. We had another batch of chicks in here, and we had a house in here. It was not a locking house though, and we had some issues with some raccoons. So we used this carrier as a temporary house. We just lock them in there at night to keep them safe. But they're super sweet.